See children, while finding 0.1 into 0.1 and 0.2 into 0.3, see here first we multiplied them as a whole number, ignoring the decimal point, In 0.1 into 0.1, you will find here that here 0.1 into 0.1, or you can write it as 1 into 1. Similarly in 0.2 into 0.3, here you found here 0.2 into 0.3, or you can ignore the 0 here, that is 2 into 3. See here we multiplied only the whole numbers here, ignoring the decimal point. Then we counted the number of digits starting from the rightmost digit. And move towards left. And we then put the decimal point there. The number of digits to be counted is obtained by adding the number of digits to the right of the decimal point in the decimal numbers that are being multiplied. See children, here in 0.1 and 0.1 and 0.2 into 0.3, here first we multiplied them as a whole number, ignoring the decimal point, and then we counted the number of digits starting from the rightmost digit and moved towards the left. See children, we counted the number of digits starting from the rightmost digit and then move towards the left. We then put the decimal point there. See children, here count the number of digits starting from the rightmost digit. Here 2 is the rightmost digit, and here 3 is the rightmost digit. Count the and move towards left. Here only one digit is there, and here also only one digit is there in the rightmost place. Here total 2 digits, and we then put the decimal point there. The number of digits to be counted is obtained by adding the number of digits to the rightmost of the decimal point in the decimal numbers that are being multiplied. See here, the number of digits to be counted is obtained by adding the number of digits. See children, here 1 and 1 means 2 digits, total 2 digits in the rightmost place in the decimal numbers, and that are being multiplied. See, you take one example here, find 1.2 into 2.5. Here first you multiply 12 and 25 here. 12 and 25, by multiplying 12 and 25 you will get here 25 into 12, you multiply first here, 12 5s are 60, 12 2s are 24, plus 6 that is 30, you will get 300. We get 300 both in 1.2 and 2.5 there is 1 digit to the right of the decimal point, to the right of the decimal point. So you count here. So count 1 plus 1, that is 2, means here also 1 digit is there in the rightmost place, and here also 1 digit, both are 2 digits. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 2 digits from the rightmost digit. Rightmost digit, that is 0. That is 0 in 300. And move towards left. We get here 3.00. See, total 2 digits, here 1, total 2 digits in the rightmost place. From the rightmost digit, that is 0 in the 300, and move towards the left, you will get 3.00. See children, after here 2 digits are there in the rightmost place, and therefore you have to give the decimal point after the 2 digits here, counting from the right to left here. See, next you take another example. Multiply 2.5 and 1.25. Here first you ignore the decimal point here. Ignore the decimal point, means you will get here, first multiply 25 into 125. First you multiply 125 into 25. You multiply here. See, here you will get 25 5s are 125, 12 carry here 5, next 25 2s are 50, 50 plus 12 62, 25 1s are 25 plus 6 31. See children, 25 into 125 here equals to 3125. Therefore 2.5 into 1.25. Here 2 digits are there in the rightmost place. Here only one digit in the rightmost place, total 3 digits, and therefore here counting from the right to left, after 3 digits you have to give the decimal point. You will get here 3.125. Understood, children? See, today we discussed about the multiplication of the decimal numbers. Next we will see some more examples in our next class. Thank you.